People from all over the world make $500, $1,000, or even $5,000 annually. I could go on and on because literally thousands of people have already used this website to withdraw cold, hard cash. What do they do, then, to make such a large amount of money online? I want you to head over to Nomelix.com right away. This is how the website works. It is a business name generator that will use artificial intelligence to help you whenever you enter a keyword, and click the Generate button to automatically create a brief, distinctive business name. People have been able to make thousands of dollars each week and month by typing names using this method alone. I want to show you this website first, though, where they'll be paying you. Visit squadhelp.com, please. On this website, you can earn money by entering the names of various companies. Now take a look at this. This website has several business categories, and in each category, there are a ton of names for businesses that people have already created and from which they are currently making money. In order to earn hundreds of dollars, let me now demonstrate exactly how to submit and type up names for the business. You can find previous winners of various businesses and competitions by clicking the Contest button up top and choosing Winners when you return to the Squad Help website. We're doing this because we want to conduct some research and find out what kinds of names people typically like by looking at other previous winners. Therefore, you can use this website to search for different names that have won various other tasks or competitions. One of the many similarities you can find among all these different initiatives is the abundance of short and simple names. I like that the Tiruic.com software allows you to enter the company's location, state, or even industry. They can immediately aid in narrowing our focus and offer a more specific estimate or suggestion for the particular category of business names we're looking for. As you can see above, they can give us literally thousands of potential names and company names. I'll leave you with one last bonus suggestion on how to boost your online income by doing more research on the domain name. You'll notice that they do recommend an a.com website with the business's domain at the bottom. Now that you have the opportunity to suggest a business name, which is fantastic, if we can also make sure that the domain name, which serves as the website's URL link, is available, you will have a better chance of having your name selected and winning the cash. So, for example, we could visit namemesh.com and see if the domain name was available if you wanted to type out this name. Your chances of working on multiple projects at once and earning much more money online will increase as a result. It's critical to verify that the a.com domain you have chosen for the name is available. By simply typing, many people can reliably generate thousands of dollars each week and earn a respectable sum as a full-time income from Squad Help. And that's it. If you enjoyed the video, smash the like button.